quick test drive here. We have 37,941 miles on the odometer. And if you see any flickering here on the screens, that's just in camera. That is not in person. She shifts nice and smooth. Sounds amazing. Love the steering wheel here with the carbon. We are in sport mode. It's actually very quiet when you want it to be. And of course, it can get a little rowdy. Alignment feels good. Steering wheel doesn't have any weird shakes or shimmies. Suspension feels solid. Hitting on the brakes kind of hard there. No issues there. Like I said, the flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now check out the website under the description tab and you will find the build list on this car. It has a lot of goodies on it. Looking at that wheel. That looks amazing. Date code on the tire, 2019. That looks really, really good. Barrel's nice and clean. Calipers look good. Now you're gonna have typical rock impacts on the front. Some light swirls from just kind of everyday washing. That emblem looks good. Nice and clean. A couple light impacts from rocks. Looks good. You got the big sunroof. Here on the side mirror, a couple small impacts. That lens is perfect. Looking at the upper section, you do have film on the edge and in that door cup. Door looks good. Got that lower rocker. Looks like a small chip there. You have film on this little section here. Upper side looks good. Scanning that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks good. Got the carbon wing. Splitter looks awesome. Now when we get close on the front end, you are going to have typical rock impacts and chips right there. You're going to see it on that lower section. Headlights look good. You're going to have a few rock chips. Some rock chips there. Just little stuff. Splitter looks really good. That fender looks nice. That wheel looks good. A couple small rock impacts, a few small chips. That looks nice. Door looks really good. I do see another chip down there. You're gonna have a few on that lower rocker, a couple there. Otherwise looks good. Wheel looks amazing. You got the carbon spoiler. Beautiful weave on it. That looks good. Kind of scanning that back bumper. That looks good. Looks really nice. All right, checking out the interior. Tons of carbon, beautiful seats, I love that steering wheel. It looks really good. Upper section here on that is perfect. The carbon looks amazing. Memory seating. You have all the Alcantara here. The lower side looks good. Got the illuminated trim here. Look at that bolster. It looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws there. You have a light scuff right there. Other than that, that seat looks brand new. Here on the steering wheel, got the carbon with the little inserts. Nice and clean. Now you do have some fingernail scratches right there. Other than that, looks good. Got the blue stitching. That looks amazing. Got your Pro clip. Nice and clean install here. I mean, this is perfect. This is really, really nice. Not much to pick apart in here. All right, looking at that upper section, looks amazing. Beautiful carbon here. That looks really good. All the Alcantara is nice and clean. That panel looks awesome. That trim looks good. Floor mats look amazing. I mean, that bolster looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws there. Really nice seats. That side of the dash looks good. Check out all the carbon. Beautiful pattern on it. Got the sunroof. Really not much to pick apart on this side. All right, looking at this seat, once again, looks perfect. Looks like no one ever sat back here. That seat back looks good. Really clean setup. It smells really nice back here. All right, checking out the engine bay. This looks insane. Really, really nice. Tons of carbon. That blue looks really good. We'll have the full build list on the website. Very clean though.